Hey guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make backward slime. So let's get started. So guys, I was going to make the slime in a bowl and I'll be showing my ingredients. So I'm going to need some glue, food coloring, shaving gel, and Tide. So let's get started. So first, this is how you know how it goes. So you put the Tide last, but today we're pouring it first. And you pour this first, but today we're pouring it last. So let's get started. So first you want to start off is with some laundry Tide detergent. It's so weird and it's pretty clear. It was sticky and it's so weird. So I just add my Tide detergent and you put this right here. And next all you want to do is just add, you're going to mix and it's so weird. Guys, look, it's pretty weird guys. But next I'm just going to be adding in some shaving gel. Okay, so there. So now I'm just add my shaving gel, and now I'm gonna mix. I was just looking. There, that's good. And this is a really good slime video, but I already did one, but I just wanted to make you this. And guys, it's so exciting. You can see me, guys. Oh my gosh, this is weird. Ooh, yeah, disgusting. So next you want to add some food coloring. You can use anything, but I'm just using some pink. So pink. Now I'm gonna mix. Oh, it's so weird. Now I'll show you the camera. Guys, it's pretty pink. It's pretty pink in the camera. Yeah. So next you want to add some. Ooh, let's move this. Next you want to add some glue. Guys, so I'm just gonna pack this up. Now add some beautiful glue if I can. So now you're gonna need this slime. It's so good and stretchy and awesome. And so sticky. Okay, guys, so really good. It's sticky, kind of, but that's okay because I'm just kneading the slime. Guys, and it's really turning out so stretchy. And yeah. So I'm just gonna, got my shirt. So next I'm just gonna set it down. Now add some more. Oops, wait. Oops, I made a mess, kind of. Oopsie. Oops, guys. Oops, oopsie. Here's the slime. Oh. So stretchy and really cool. So I'm just gonna knead it in here, guys. It's really good and really stretchy. Guys, so here's my slime. It's really good. I'm just gonna add it here. And now we're gonna be playing with it, guys. And it's so good. Sorry about the noise. So yeah, and all that matters is stretchy and really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the glue here and food coloring and Tide here. And I'm just gonna take this. So I'm just gonna add it on the ground and then now I'm just gonna play with it. Sort of a little bit sticky, but that's okay, guys. And now you must see those pencil case. I got that. That's my own. These two are for first grade. That one's second. That's my own from home. And this one right here is my third grade one, if you could see. So yeah, and I got that on the last day. I added here more pokey. It's really good, guys. It's like, look at it. Just look at it. So good. Stretchy and good. So go to Annalika's channel, Annalika's World, and you would see this slime making backwards on success. It's exactly like that and so stretchy. But I'll put you in a normal spot so you can see me more, guys. So yeah, so I'll put you in a normal spot. So here. Right. So I just put you in a normal spot like I do. watch out for clip. I add some more color in here so it could be more good. Oopsie. So guys, this is really good. More pokey and stretchy. I wonder how I made this, but yeah. And you go, guys. And today's my friend Annalika's World's birthday. So go on her YouTube channel, Annalika's World, and say happy birthday, because today it's her birthday and she's 10 years old today. So yeah, guys. So good. This is the best time ever. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video today on Natalia's Incredible Life, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Hold on. Wait.